This program is brought to you by
Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Happy beaters, happy man beaters, happy
Logi Travel and Tours. Sheshe Logi Travel and Tours a chira kwine na wakwentu ninye smooth for you. Awusiedi abetimi ya family Nkosuohene Nkosuo hwe Anigyedie mu Nsem Nkosuo TV Anigyedie mu Nsem yakofa anwotofo omu etwasene wosene twameti ni twase omu yimpase meche comedians na yatoto oma no da bia se de meka no na ene wo hwe ayemi benkum so abranti on de ose emrantie bia ka kire omu se ka kire ne se this year the boys ebeji amanfo guess na me de minim se oba landing ye ene na wabeji be 1500 coins Nkosuo girls me ne Quamina MP ene wa MP apom
me ado
no se de here my be wa ma because so e de na
so na ma me sire Nkosuohene
yeah
me ni agisa
boga ye nhwe apom bibia de din
me ado
Quamina MP edin ni na de sen
Quamina Midiangasa, me Saturday born. I took Quamina.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the MP stands for Mama's Pride. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, Mama's Pride. I see like. Na me ma mi osuro say nyom na me na bia na amfa cause no person me wo school. But na school no so en sheda nko yie ma me so.
Quamina wa bon.
Kakra.
No kase no wa bon. Na wo sua ngo trim.
O na like me adi wo comat. Yeah, ntina moving to university na heading kakra plus na sika ni fie nti na me sha me so enwom na mpese me ye nti so dey ene me ye na me ye na
movie na one kasa no hina sakwade na ofi
ya wo me watakra dey ba me fi mankesim like e wona menyia
mankesim na wotena ya nti wo start wonyum to nyina it was mankesim nti no movie kwa Accra time bay
me movie back after high school. Okay. We were children of the Accra first. Okay. And then me call back to Mankesim. And Brenna Shane come I know. And I'm Madam Fubi Accra, friend of mine. To no man me back no say oh you studio as a secretary. Nti se meet me about Accra and kwa there. Meet me we am ho about studio on man record me na. But I know so na we am done yes because yeah. And I know suggest they say oh more printing press be like more store be more printing papers na there on say meet me other Hong Kong there meet me aba na
Quamina MP now the printing press what that kiosk mama dey achi
that kiosk be 2 weeks that kiosk be 2 weeks na me come back to my Nkosuo na me sign back sign be that kiosk ni crazy
and the young shemite say onyom your friend is saying we are see there now oh yes how they turn medical
what happened medical it got to a point na menya baby am ye adwuma as a producer and me bobit recording crowd but na adwuma na nshara amba so what happened was after menya we are see the idea no na nipa na me ni ye adwuma studio no new medical na me catch and so oh Charlie me come mo beat ni nyoma we are betimi asene ama medical na nhwe se ni beje ho a nyoma yes kaka na enche ti me se ni ma me de ma guy ni so sene ma medical but me hu ni esi ti medical sanka ena me ameye ma dia na sisi a ena ejina landing
yanhwe ntu ba landing na yemfa entwa so ba landing eni ma ekosen
oh Charlie landing be nice place me the first time I reach here I walk
guess
I won't forget any day. Already, Miss Magic 1,523. But me buy who be 4 or 5 be. But was my first time to some yesterday. I'm stadium. We
Okoba.
No. I met you on my cake.
I'm Christian for. My who say Baba Swaba. What you? Mammy Saba Banvita na farm.
I said the things we do. Yeah, he see all my sins. I still do. I'm so Baba say he did for me. I say in Mama, I no go to church. I do rentings so Baba say he did for me. Ajay, that thing go. Baba, you live.
Baba. Mate, ene mene Quamina MP. Me so wembre emre nkasa ekọ na me dey aseda ebema eye woni o management team. Me dey aseda emo obibia Alodia Promotions. Thank you so much. Sa enso na Kwame Zizi na gina afidie na chia utwa me. Na me nhamo nyina Yakoba Nkosuo TV. Medamase. This program was brought to you by
Paradise Park Treated Drinking Water.
Happy beaters, happy man beaters, happy
Logi Travel and Tours. If Logi Travel and Tours a chira kwine na wakwentu ni smooth for you.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park Treated Drinking Water. Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park Treated Drinking Water. Paradise Park Treated Drinking Water. Drink pure, live more.
Mommy, okay, happy man beaters. You be mommy.
Nsem kabidia, demuidia, yeah, happy man. Happy man never grow.
I like what you are thinking.
And so what will be able to be on your hangover? Nani happy man beaters, happy man beaters, or your gun and son, yet the gun and Rubadia ye parties, weddings, funerals, may say you, Ninare, happy man beaters.
Happiness never be a war. Emmanuel, 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 Emmanuel. Happy beaters, happy man beaters, happy beaters. Happiness never be a war.
Sapandua 0548276687. Chuchabi never happy.
Daddy Anumbe.
Abusua mpanimfo se krom beye woda eno ani uboto saa nso na akwantuo beye woda agese wanya dwumayiku a wabene wo akwantuo mu nsem hunyi ne senti na make for Logi Travel and Tours e dia mawo Logi Travel and Tours to me boa ma wonya niema bi te se visas, hotel tickets, passport ene ne ekika ho Logi Travel and Tours ye dwumayiku bi a se wodi wadwuma komo omo a enche e wonsa kemuaye Logi Travel and Tours wabotrede tema ema obi bia wodi adwuma bebe o maso ye ne senti anyumtofo ekukuta ene mpanimfo etitiriwe nyina ediomo hawo omakwantuo mu nsem ebedan Logi Travel and Tours. Hwehwe Logi Travel and Tours a chira kwanne na wakwantuo ni smooth for you. Logi Travel and Tours are now giving you more choices for your holiday.
Many Gino, Jami way and Bimbi.